Good morning students. Now let us see what we have learnt in the last class. So we have learnt about multiplication. So we have introduction about multiplication, and then by using number line also we have seen. So what is called multiplication? Repeated addition is called as multiplication. This is what we have seen in the last class. And then you know how to write the multiplication sentence also. You know to find the answer by using the number line. Today we are going to learn about multiplication tables. So we are going to learn multiplication tables. Why we are learning these tables? Instead of using the number line, that is a long process, right? So with that process we will take a long time. So only we are learning to multiplication tables. We have seen so many examples that with Riya and Riya's mother. She counted by 2s, she skipped by 2s, and then she skipped by 3s. Like that she is skipping the numbers. It takes some long process. So only we are learning to multiplication tables. This also happens in our real life also. She had found in that we have seen about that she found marker pens, that how much marker pens are there, and then crayons she has found for sharpness, for erasers. So she found some answers by taking a long process. So here it's a simple way after learning the multiplication table. So before learning that, we shall see to this. Here Riya and her mother. The mother entered the Riya's room and she gave so many small boxes to her to arrange her things in that box. And Riya said, I will keep all these boxes in my cupboard after arranging. Like that she said to her mom. And now mom said that after arranging, how much boxes you have used? You are going to give the answer to me. Count that each of the boxes and say the answer to me, like that she is saying to her daughter Riya. And now Riya said to her mother that I will use by counting 2s. Like that she is saying to her mom, and she is making a multiplication table here. That she is doing by repeated addition only. And then only mom explains how this multiplication table comes, like that. So we shall see to that how it comes, okay? Now we shall see to the tables of 2 that Riya had framed. So see to here, this is repeated addition as she know this only, and this is multiplication as repeated addition. So see to this, here there is 2, that is only one time. So 2 added 1 times, only one time it is added. So in the multiplication sentence how it will be? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. This cross sign is said to be as a times. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. And here the 2 is written twice, 2 times it is written, 2 plus 2. This is how it is, see, 2 added 2 times. In the multiplication sentence, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Into is times. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And here 2 is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2. So it is as 2 added 3 times, that is 3 cross 2 is equal to 6. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And here 2 is in 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 2 added 4 times, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So this is the way that Riya made the boxes by counting the boxes, small boxes. And here see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 5 times are here. 2 added 5 times. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. And see to here. Here there are 6 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 2s are here. So 2 added 6 times. She added the boxes 6 times. That is 6 into 2 is equal to 2. While she is adding to the number 2 these much times, that is 6 times, she will get the answer as 2. While adding these two numbers, you will get the answer as 12. And then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is 7 times. She added 7 times. So she got the answer as 14. This is the way she is doing by counting the 2s. And again see, she is counting the boxes by 2s only. This is of 8 times. 2 is in 8 times. So 2 added 8 times. So 8 times 2 is 16. 8 into 2 is 16. And see to the next one. Here the number is 9. 9 9 times 2 is here. She counted the boxes. See how she counted? She is arranging the 2 boxes 9 times. So she had found the answer as 18. By 2's count only she is finding the answer. And here the 2's are 10. So here 10 2's are 20. That is 10 times 2 is equal to 20. After she counted the boxes, she is saying to her mom, I have found the answer as 20. This way I have found, like that she said to her mom. Now the mom said, you have done, no, this is a multiplication table, like that she is saying to her daughter. That is, you have framed their tables of 2, like that she is saying to her daughter. See to this, this is the tables. This is the table of 2. 1 cross 2 is equal to 2. That is 1 2's are 2. And here see 2 cross 2 is equal to 4. That is 2 2's are 4. And here 3 2's are 6. 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10. And here 6 2's are 12. 7 2's are 14. 8 2's are 16. 9 2's are 18. 10 2's are 20. So this is what the multiplication table of 2. Tables of 2. Now she said, like this way I will frame for the third table and for fourth table, like that she is saying to her mom. After learning these tables, you will come to know the answer very easily. In the easier way you can find the answer by adding, by subtracting, like this. These are some long process by adding and all. So by learning to the multiplication tables, you can find the answer easily. The repeated numbers, the repeated addition of numbers is said to be as multiplication. This is the basic thing. And learn to the multiplication table, it is the easier way to find the answer or the result you can find easily. Now we are going to see to the tables from 2 to 10th table. As you know, for the tables of 1, that is, while we are multiplying any number to 1, you will get the same number. 1 2 is 2 means 2 only. 2 1 is 2 only. While we are interchanging the numbers also, you will get the same answer. So here we are going to start from tables of 2. See to the ones and all. 1 2 is 2. 1 2's are 2. And here see 1 3's are 3. Here 1 4's are 4. So while we are multiplying the number 1 to any of the number, you will get the same number. 1 2 is 2. And here 1 3 is 3. So these are the things. The ones are will be the same for everything. See here 1 5's are 5, 1 6's are 6, 1 7's are 7, 1 8's are 8, 1 9's are 9, 1 10's are 10. So these are the things that while we are multiplying the number 1 to any of the number, you will get that number as the answer. So this is the tables of 1. Okay, and see here, now we are going to see to the tables of 2. As we have seen that we have found the tables of multiplication tables of 2. No, here the tables of 2, that same thing only. 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6. You will read as 3 2's are 6, 4 2's are 8. The times is written as 5 2's are 10, 6 2's are 12, 7 2's are 14, 8 2's are 16, 9 2's are 18, 10 2's are 20. So this is the way you have to learn the tables of 2. Up to 10th table you are going to learn. And here third table is given here. 1 3's are 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9, 4 3's are 12, 5 3's are 15, 6 3's are 18. You are going to memorize the tables for the easier way to find the answer. For everything we can find easily instead of using a repeated addition. And here 7 3's are 21, 8 3's are 24, 9 3's are 27, 10 3's are 30. This is for third table. As we have seen here, the same thing will be reversed for here 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th table. So I will say here, see 2 2's are 4, no? Here see 2 3's are 6. And here see 2 4's are 8. So this is a table of 2's also. So here see 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. See here, it is the same thing. Here 2 started, no? 4. Next see here 6. And here compare as 8. And here 10 see. For for every table, second table means in the second table this order will be here. And see to here 12, 6 2s are 12, and here see 2 6 are 12. So the same answer for both the things. Why it is same? Because the number is interchanged. The number, if the same number that is interchanged means you will get the same answer. While the number is interchanged in the multiplication, you will get the same answer. This is the result, okay. And here now we shall see to the fourth table, okay. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. This is for fourth table. And fifth table will be easy for you. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Here see skipped by 5, and here skipped by 4, and here skipped by 3, and here skipped by 2. This will be so easy. 5, 10, 15, you can find like this. It's a 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. This is the order like this. So learn this table, fifth table, and here tables of 6. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, 10 6 are 60. And here see to seventh table. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 8 7s are 56, 9 7s are 63, 10 7s are 70. And now 8th table. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 9 8s are 72, 10 8s are 80. And now 9th table. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 90. And here in the 9th table, another one simple way is here. See, here first write the number, leave this number, okay. First number leave, and then write first number alone 1, and to the next 2, and here 3, and next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First we have to leave this place alone. Start from the second one. Write 1 alone. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from down you start. Write from here. Okay, 0. And then before number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This will be easier way to learn the 9th table. So what I have said, first leave the number there in the ones in here, and then write in the from the second table 2 cross 9, that is 2 9s are. You have to start from here. Write 1 here, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I can start from here itself. In the last itself, start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this will be easier way, or else you can learn this alone. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. This will be easier way to learn the 9th table like this way. And here 10th table is very easy, that you have to just write 0 in the last place alone. See to the here, 1 10s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40, 5 10s are 50, 6 10s are 60, 7 10s are 70, 8 10s are 80, 9 10s are 90, 10 10s are 100. And you are writing the 0 alone in the last place. See here, 2 10s are means 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40. Like this you are going to learn up to 10th table, from the second table to 10th table. As you know, for tables of 1 you already know that. See here, 1 cross 2 is equal to 2, that is 1 2s are 2, 1 cross 3, that is 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. This is the 1th table, and here itself you can see to the second table here. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. These are second table in this order. See here, 3 table. Here will be the third table. 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are. See here, 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. Then number alone interchange. If the number interchange, you will get the same answer only. 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are also 12 only. See here, 3 5s are 15 and here see 5 3s are 15. The same answer for these both things. Just compare after learning this table. Just compare and see by you itself. Okay, this will be easy. Learning from second table to the 10th table. By learning this, you can find the result very easily. So now we are going to try to the exercise problems. Now see to the first problem given in the exercise. Use times tables to help Riya. Calculate the number of fruits in each box. So you know the tables, no? With that tables you are going to help Riya. As for the repeated addition and all we will do, no? In that process now we are going to use the multiplication tables here. So here see to the first one, number of apples. So see to that how many apples are there. See to the rows and columns. So there are 6 and 7. So 6 are, you are going to count that. If you counted means the result will be the same, and by the multiplication tables while we are using, we will get the same answer. So you are going to calculate with the rows and columns given in the boxes. So using the number of fruits in each box, we are going to calculate that fruits in the boxes. So see to the rows and columns. So 6 and 7. So how will you write in the multiplication sentence? You will write as 6 into 7 or 7 into 6. Both ways you can write. So I am writing as 6 into 7. So 6 7s are 42. So this is the thing that we are using multiplication tables. So this is easiest way to find the answer. So just find the rows and columns alone, then you can find the answer. Instead of counting each of the fruit, we can find by this way. Calculate from rows and columns, we can find the answer like this. And see to the next, number of oranges. So first we have calculated for apples, the fruit for apples, and now the fruit name is oranges. For oranges we are going to find. And now see how many rows and columns are there. So 4 and 6 are there. So how will you write 4 into 6, or you can write as 6 into 4. So I am writing as 4 into 6. So table of 6 or table of 4 you can use. Here table of 6. 4 6 are 24. And now number of chicos. So here you are going to calculate this fruit. So how much are there? See the box, how much fruits are there? 8 and 5. See the rows and columns. So 8 and 5. How will you write that? 8 cross 5 or 5 cross 8 you can write. So I am writing as 8 5s are. 8 5s are 40. Here the use of 5th table. Here 7th table. This is 6th table and 5th table. Or you can write 5 8s are also. That is also the result is same. By your interchanging the numbers also you will get the same answer. Same result only will be here. This is the one thing of mathematical multiplication facts. So here 8 5s are 40 or 5 8s are 40. And now number of guavas. So now we are going to calculate for guavas. So how much of guavas in the picture given there? The fruits. How much guavas? So 5 and 6. The rows and columns alone just calculate. Then you can find the answer. So 5 and 6, or you can write as 6 and 5. Then how will you write in the multiplication sentence? 5 cross 6. So 5 6 are 30. Use of 6th table. And now next one, number of strawberries. How many strawberries are there? You can just calculate, you can count each of the strawberries, or what you can do, you can calculate from the rows and columns, you can find the multiplication answer. So total number of strawberries given there. So just see to rows and just see to columns. So how many? 9 rows and 9 columns are there. So how will you write as 9 cross 9? So while interchanging the number are same, so you can write like this 5. 9 9s are 81. Ninth table. So easy, no? Ninth table. So by using the multiplication table, you can find the result easily. Instead of counting each of the fruits, you can find by choosing the rows and columns. How much are there? Find that, and then you can find the total number of fruits given there. Each of the fruit, apple, oranges, chicos, guavas and strawberries. So this is the way you are going to use the multiplication tables. And the second question, Ramesh made 5 groups of 3 notebooks each. How many notebooks are there in all? So what is the question given here? That is Ramesh. He made 5 groups of 3 notebooks. 5 groups of 3 notebooks. So there are 5 groups. In each group there are 3 notebooks are arranged. So we are going to find how many notebooks are there in all. So totally how much books are there, how much notebooks are there, like that we are going to find here 5 groups and 3 notebooks. So you can write as 5 into 3, 5 times 3, or you can write as 3 times 5. Two things are same only. So you can write as 5 into 3. What is the answer? 5 3s are 15. So simple. So you can interchange the numbers also. 3 into 5. That is how much groups and how much notebooks. So totally you can multiply both of them by interchanging the numbers also. 5 cross 3. That is 5 times 3. It can be written 3 times 5 also. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So the total number of books is 15 notebooks. Answer is 15 notebooks. And see to the next question. This question you are going to do as your homework. See the picture given there also, okay, in the book. A cat has 4 legs. A cat has 4 legs. You all know the cat has 4 legs. How many legs do 3 cats have? We are having only 2 legs, but cat has 4 legs. So a cat has 4 legs means here how many legs do 3 cats have? 1 cat has 4 legs. Then for 3 cats how much legs will be? So how will you find the answer? By multiplying those two numbers. You have to write as 4 into 3 or 3 into 4. Just memorize the multiplication tables. Then you can easily find the answer. 4 3s are the answer is. 4 3s are easy, no? Or 3 4s are. Third table or a fourth table you can use for this question. And see the next, complete the multiplication wheel. This is just see that this is the multiplication wheel, and see to here you are going to complete the incomplete box, incomplete wheels here, incomplete things are given, no? So you are going to find that alone as the answer. And here multiplication sign is given, that is 5. You are going to use the tables of 5. You are going to use tables of 5. And here the numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 9 and 10 it is given here. So first start from here. 5 1, that is 1 5 sir. You are going to use the tables of 5. So 1 5 sir, or 5 2 sir, 5 3 sir, 5 4 sir, like that also you can find. I am going to say the tables of 5. That will be easy. So 1 5 sir, 5. Then 2 5 sir, 1 5 sir, 5, 2 5 sir, 10. 5 3 sir, or 3 5 sir, 15. 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are or 6 5s are 30. You can say like this both ways, 1 5s are or 5 1s are, then 2 5s are or 3 5s are, 4 5s are, 5 5s are, 6 5s are, 7 5s are, 8 5s are. So the remaining things you are going to do as your homework. So here I have given this as your homework. You are going to find how many legs do the 3 cats have. You are going to find this. So you are going to learn the multiplication tables at first, and then do the exercise problem given here and fill in the boxes given here also. So now I am going to teach you the multiplication by using lines. So this is the number 3 cross 6. So 3 6 are. So you are going to find that answer by using the lines I am going to teach you now. So 3 means just draw 3 lines like this in a cross way. Okay. 1 2 3. Like this, draw 3 lines. And then here 6 is given here. So draw 6 lines in a crossed way, just by intersecting each of the lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have drawn 6 lines. First I have drawn 3 and then 6. Okay. Now here the intersecting points are no, the 2 lines crossed. So see that points alone. Count that points alone. The centers, the 2 lines crossed, no, that one. Okay. The points that crosses, the 2 lines that crosses, no, that point I have to calculate, count that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So totally 18 dots I have found. So the answer is 18. This is why lines I have taught you. If it is 2 cross 3, how will you find? First draw 2 lines, 1 and 2, and then 3 means 1, 2, 3. So now find the points in between here. The 2 lines cross, no, that point, midpoint, the intersecting points. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6. So the answer is 6. 2 3s are 6. As we know the multiplication table, this is also another way by using the lines I have taught you. So you are going to do one activity now. In your home you are having straw, waste straw. If you have waste straw means take that straws and do the activity what I am giving now. So see to here 3 6 I have given now. Take this number and take the straws and keep like this way, crossed way, and paste in the paper. Then you find the result like that. So find for the 4th table or 3rd table, any of one table, and do this activity. Okay, do this activity what I have said now. So thank you students.